not touchy.
It's another early morning, and it's another wiffle ball adventure. Today, it's Whiffling for Wishes. It's a charity wiffle ball tournament for the Make-A-Wish Foundation in Hopkins. We won it in 2010, but we haven't won it since then. Let's get it. Dandy with a clutch. Extra inning, down one out. Walk-off game-winning double. Walk-off, right off the line. 1-0, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Classic.
Cheers, boys. Woo!
So it's that time of year again.
Oh! He's got it down.
Get up on kids once again, get it in, gotta
He must bowl. Fridley Factors versus Kringles Kids. Game 2.
Whoa, what a kick!
Oh. He's eating a meat cookie in one hand and a meat Tootsie Roll in the other. Oh, yeah. Maybe.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a fourth place finish. Semi-finalists, alright.
Hey, let me get in here.
Yeah, this will be your one moment on the internet. Congratulations.
You would honestly get more views with me. You know how important I am around here?
Oh, battery died.
Time to get jacked at the cabin, brother. Military presses. Look at all this weight.
That is a lot of weight. And the tubes must be heavy too.
Now comes the lunge. Hold the lunge. Hold it.
And then barrel roll. Look at that technique.
What's up? This is Less Than Beebs, aka the better voice of Mippy 5, and although I'm the worst vlogger because Becca just jumped in the lake and I was chided. I had control of the camera and I was chided for not getting the footage of her jumping in because
you need to get any jumping footage. Vlogging 101.
For amber waves of gray, for eagles flying in the sky, and friends enduring pain. Oh, Luke standing on the kneeboard. Oh! Luke is yellow. Unfortunately, that means he's the only one who has not completed the game. He's getting ready to accept his punishment.
Notice the water inside the kayak. Before you ridicule me for not being able to paddle properly, this is filled at least 32% with water.
Ideal kayaking.
Oh, the crotch part.
Hey, Brian.
No, and it's filling more.
It's filling more. He's just gonna sink at this point.
Oh no. Oh, it's coming in the back. Oh no.
That's what she said.
Oh no. I know how Jack felt now. Well, we're in a tough situation, folks. I don't think we're getting off the dock. Nope.
He has to kayak to the other side, over to the other docks and back.
This is our special friend Luke. He's learning how to kayak. Gotta put your pal in the water, Luke. Shoot him. I'm not gonna give you any tips. I want to see you fall. But now that you're up, you can't touch with your hand anymore. So you have to get all the way across and back. If you touch with your hand, you have to start over.
Start over?
Yep. Can you fall, please? I'm trying to get more views on this. I can't title it OMG She Drowned looking for her body right now if you don't fall. You got it? You got it? You got it?
Don't touch me.
What does it look like I'm gonna touch you?
It does look like you're going to touch
What
me.
if I can't reach you from here?
Don't you dare touch
But
me.
if I did.
Ray! Don't touch me. Get away. You're not friends.
I'm not touching. I didn't touch you.
Luke is officially the meanest person that I know. And you should all stop watching his videos. You saw that. He just abused a woman. So.
Luke, what do you have to say to these accusations?
They're all true. If you haven't stopped watching by now, I'm doing something wrong. Now Brian also lost, and his chore was what?
To clean all of the dishes without dish soap.
See, I told you it wasn't as exciting. You're like, why aren't you filming them? That's why I'm not filming them, because it was not nearly as exciting until now.